Welcome to Covet.pics. In this video, we're going to show you how to get started at making great galleries that your customers can shop on. After you've installed the app from the Shopify App Store, you'll be presented with our setup wizard. This is a quick overview of what you need to do to get set up. First thing you'll do is add an Instagram feed. And to do that, you'll need to add an Instagram account and connect it with Facebook. We have guides that will show you how to do this. From here, all you need to do is pick your feed from the list and click Add Selected Profile. From here, you can choose Automatic or Manual. Automatic will approve everything that's coming in, and Manual will force you to select which images you want to show on the gallery. Tagged photos are images that other users have posted with your username tagged on it. Once you're all set, click Save Changes. It may take a few minutes for your gallery to update, but once your images are there, you can start editing them. You can use the switch to approve or hide an image, and if you click Edit, you can tag products, links, and add them to different galleries or add filters. There are lots of options and lots of things you can do with each image, so let us know if you have any questions. Once you're ready to style your gallery, go to the Customize Gallery tab. When it's your first time, you'll see the Gallery Presets wizards, and this is where you can pick a predetermined style to use on your gallery. This is a really great way to get started. There's lots of different styles to choose from and colors, but you can also edit all of this later on in the process. So don't be too concerned if you don't see exactly what you want at this point. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the Save button. From this point, your gallery is ready to go. You can click Embed to Website, copy your code, and put it into your theme. You can also embed it into pages or other websites if you're on the business plan. For more information on embedding or other settings and features, make sure you check out our Help Center and our other videos. And if you have any questions, contact us at support@spacesquirrel.co.